Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default country code on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com on your web browser. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top bar and click on the gear icon located on the right side. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. This will take you to the settings page of your Gmail account. Scroll down and locate the phone numbers section under the General tab. Here, you'll find the current default country code. Click on the country bar and select the country code that you want to set as default for your Gmail account. Make sure to choose the correct country from the list. After selecting the country code, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This will save your new default country code for your Gmail account. You may be prompted to confirm this change, so make sure to follow the instructions on the screen to finalize the process. And that's it. You have successfully changed the default country code on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.